First, let's start by opening Canva's homepage. Once you're here, head to the search bar at the top and type in Place Cards. Now, you'll see a variety of ready-made templates pop up. Canva offers tons of customizable designs, so feel free to browse through them and choose one that fits the theme of your event. You can also design one from scratch if you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll be using one of Canva's templates as an example. I'm going to select this template for the demonstration. Once you find a template you like, simply click on Customize this template. Now that the design is open in the workspace, you can start customizing it to your liking. You can change elements like text, colors, or even replace any decorations if you wish. You can also head over to the Elements tab on the left and open the Magic Recommendations section. This will show you design elements that complement your current layout, whether it's shapes, floral designs, or borders. These are perfect for giving your place cards a personal touch. Next, I'll show you how to create multiple place cards automatically. For this, we'll use the Bulk Create tool. Head over to the Apps section on the right, search for Bulk Create, and open it. You have two options here: enter data manually or upload data. I have an Excel file with the names of guests and their table numbers ready, so I'll use the Upload Data option. Simply upload your file from your computer by selecting Upload Data. After uploading, you'll be able to choose the data range by specifying the cell numbers. I'll enter the range of my data, which includes guest names and table numbers. Now, right-click on the text where you want to place the guest names and select Connect Data. From the drop-down, choose Name. Do the same for the table numbers by selecting Table. Once everything is set, click Continue and then Generate. Canva will automatically fill in the information for each guest and table, creating individual place cards in the same design. As you can see, all the cards are generated perfectly. If you notice any misalignment or if the text doesn't fit perfectly, you can manually adjust the placement. Canva makes it easy to tweak the design to your satisfaction. Once you're happy with the design, click the Share button at the top and then select Download. Make sure to choose PDF as the format, and if you're printing these cards, select the Crop Marks and Bleed option so they print perfectly according to your printer's settings. Now let's open the file and take a look at the finished place cards. And there you have it, beautifully designed and ready to print for your event.